Do you want the perfect playlist for every mood and occasion? Let ChatGPT and Playlist AI handle it. So firstly, you'll need to get Playlist AI. It is just a plugin. So you go to Explore GPTs, here, Playlist AI, and it is the top one. Connect your Spotify, Apple Music. So just click on that, start chat, and we'll open up a chat. So now what we want is a couple of playlists. So let's see how we go. Create a relaxing playlist for a Sunday morning. Let's see what it can come up with. Obviously, you would be putting in your own bits and what's going. Sunday. Sorry, that one's pointless. So we know which one we prefer. So there we have a nice little playlist for our Sunday morning of upbeat pop songs. So create a 10 song playlist of upbeat pop songs for a workout. Here, a 10 song playlist. Beautiful. Give me a rock playlist for a dinner party with classic modern tracks. Alright, now I'd like to create this playlist and move it over to Spotify. So here we would say create this playlist on Spotify. It's going to take a few seconds. Starting action. Here we have it. Sign in with Spotify. Click that one. Matt, that's me. Agree. And in no time at all. Whoa. Always allow. So now we're all linked. Open it up. And here we have it. We've got our 20 rock tracks for a dinner party. So it's that simple. You can create, obviously, playlists on whatever you'd like. I actually do quite enjoy my rock, so I'd be quite happy to put this on in the background over a dinner party. So we'll leave it there, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, hit subscribe. And yeah, have a good one. Catch you in the next video.